now. Guys, listen. Conjugations you can you can complete almost everything, but this one thing, especially for your students who are new to French language, these people face this issue. So I thought of making a video on this topic. Otherwise, just tell me that everything in French language in your past is a description, right? Last year when I was going there, then I met a girl, beautiful girl. So it is a description. Everything is a description. How can you differentiate? Namaste, guys. So today let's learn something very important in French language. It's imparfait. All right. And in the very end of this video, I'm gonna share with you how to differentiate between passe composé and imparfait. Because those people who are who are preparing for their Delf A2, sorry for the handwriting, Delf A2, or let's say A1 level, beginners often face this issue, and in the very end, because see, my task as a teacher is to tell you each and everything, but I'll tell you just one simple thing in the very end. If you keep that thing in mind, you will never gonna face any issue concerning imparfait. All right, so let's start. So first of all, if you guys want to contact me, then here's my Telegram ID, spontaneouspunk. All right, if you want to learn French language, I have recently created a batch for B1 level. All right, these people will going to appear in their December attempt. So in case if you guys want to learn French language, you can message me over there. So let's start. So let's learn how to conjugate a verb to make it imperfect. All right. So first of all, take the new form from present tense. Take the new form from the present tense. Present tense. For example, nous parlons. Now what you have to do is you have to eliminate this part and add these endings. All right. Add these endings: AIS, AIS, AIT, AIONS, uh, AIEZ, AIENT. But now, why I have mentioned A here, especially A here, it's because so that I can mention you clearly, do not use this thing. All right, don't use this thing while conjugating. For example, AIS, parler, parler, elles ont parlé, nous parlions, vous parliez, il parlait, elle parlait. So always remember this thing in nous and vous. Keep this thing in mind always. All right, and guys, I can tell you hundreds of tricks, but there is no point of discussing these tricks if you yourself do not conjugate verbs. So the best way of learning conjugations is to just practice them. Just practice them. Learn this thing. All right, eliminate this part, these two things, eliminate these two things. Why I'm mentioning you? Because on some sites it is clearly mentioned that you can use AIONS and AIEZ, which you cannot. All right, so this is the thing. Always take care of nu and vu, because people do mistakes concerning these two subjects, nu and vu. All right, so first of all, let's learn now. For example, faire, the verb faire, so it will become faiser. Rendre, it will become rane. Finir, it will become faiser. Faiser? Tell me the mistake. Entre, it will become entre. All right. So see why I have done this, so that go and check the conjugation all by yourself. Okay, I'm here to tell you the tricks, techniques, tips, etc. All right, but at the end of the day, it would be you who will be writing in your exam. So do not look for shortcuts in French language. So now what you guys can do is go, whatever book you are following, whatever book, French book you are following, uh, go to the end and do all the uh, do all the conjugations concerning your imperfect. All right. Now, when do we use imperfect exactly? First of all, when you want to describe something or when there is a habit. For example, l'année dernière, j'allais au cinéma chaque samedi. Chaque samedi, I used to go to cinema last year. All right, so it's a description. Habit. Quand j'étais petit, j'étais très méchant. When I was little, all right, I was very méchant, shararati. All right, but now let's come to the one thing which is the most important. So let me show you with a diagram that, you know, suppose you are here. This is the timeline. This is the timeline. All right. Suppose you are here. So it is what? It is your present tense. Present tense. All right. Now, suppose you are talking about this event, a particular point of time. Let me just rub it in order to make it clear. Yeah. Let me change the color. Also make it now this one. So now suppose you are standing here. All right. This is at a particular point of time. It's over. It's over. So it's past tense. It's past tense. It has started and it has ended. It is past tense. And anything just before the present tense is your passé récent. Just for the sake of your knowledge. Now let's come to imperfect. Now listen carefully. Anything which has started in the past but has not ended is imperfect. First thing. Anything which has started in the past and has not ended, then it is imperfect. For example, suppose you are this person. All right. Now there's a gate. I don't. I'm sorry for the bad handwriting. Now, when you were entering this gate, someone called you. When you were entering this gate, the action has not finished. You are entering the gate. You have not entered. Remember, then someone called you. Someone called you from the behind. Now, see this thing. Now you are entering. All right. Now someone called you from behind. Hey, how are you? How are you? So this is passé composé. This action has not yet finished. This action of this person entering the house has not yet finished. So this is your what? This is your imparfait. This is your imparfait. I hope you guys have understood the difference between passé composé and imparfait now. Guys, listen. Conjugations you can do. You can, you can complete almost everything. But this one thing, especially for your students who are new to French language, these people face this issue. So I thought of making a video on this topic. Otherwise, just tell me that everything in French language, in your past is a description, right? Last year when I was going there, then I met a girl, beautiful girl. So it is a description. Everything is a description. How can you differentiate? Now, habit. People say habits are, imparfait. Yes, it is true, because these habits have not ended in the past. It is true. But what about the description part? Often teachers say, yeah, you want to describe something. Arey, yeah, don't think about all those things. Remember, if the action has started in the past tense, in the past and has not yet ended, it is imperfect. That's it. When you were entering, okay, so things like this. I hope the idea is clear to you guys. I'm sorry there was no electricity today, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. God bless you all. Stay happy.